Throw, Jace, throw!
Here, use this one.
Okay, get Daddy!
Throw it.
Good job!
Try again. Here, you want me to show you? Look. Take the snow.
Let's
go like this.
build a snowman.
You want to build a snowman? Alright, come on.
What'd you
We gotta get a
do?
lot of snow.
Let's hit Daddy up. Let's hit
Make a mini snowman.
everything you.
Here, you want to make a small snowman?
Snowman.
Okay, let's make a snowman.